In this video, I'm going to talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. Let's draw two parallel lines. If these two lines are parallel, they have to have the same gradient, that is, m1 equals to m2. For example, if this line got a gradient of 2, the gradient of the line beneath it also has to be 2. Now let me show you an example. Prove that the straight lines with equation 5x minus 2y minus 1 equals to 0 and 5x minus 2y plus 7 equals to 0 are parallel. As we know that if two lines are parallel, they have the same gradient. So let's rewrite this equation to the form of y equals to mx plus c so that we can see the gradient. So the first equation, 5x minus 2y minus 1 equals to 0, can be written as 2y equals to 5x minus 1, y equals to 2 over 5x minus 1 over 2. And the second equation, 5x minus 2y plus 7 equals to 0, can be written as 2y equals to 5x plus 7, y equals to 5 over 2x plus 7 over 2. And as we can see that the gradient of these two equations are the same, therefore they are parallel. Pretty simple, right? Okay, now let's look at the other scenario, which is when two lines are perpendicular, like this. If two lines with gradient m1 and m2 are perpendicular, then m1 times m2 equals to negative 1. That is, m2 equals to negative 1 over m1. This means that the gradient of one line are the negative reciprocal of the other line's gradient. Now let me show you an example. Show that 3x plus y minus 11 equals to 0 and x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 are perpendicular. Same as parallel, we first need to convert it into the form of y equals to mx plus c. So the first equation, 3x plus y minus 11 equals to 0, can be written as y equals to negative 3x plus 11. And the second equation, x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0, it can be written as 3y equals to x plus y equals to 1 over 3 times x plus 1 over 3. And let's look at the gradients, negative 3 and 1 over 3. Since negative 3 is the negative reciprocal of 1 over 3, the lines are perpendicular. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe.